Sophomore year, I had heard of these robotics competitions.
Complex machines racing to get points in intense head-on matches sounded cool.
My first instinct was to get involved. We looked towards our school and couldn't find anything.
I talked to Shane about it.
I talked to Gabe about it.
We remembered the VEX kits in one of our classes.
A brochure advertising a world championship.
And then we made that decision.
The one choice that changed it all.
Hi, I'm Shane Kelly,
And I'm Gabe Haro.
and we are the Pastoral
Invasion. We didn't know if it would work.
But we tried starting our own team.
We built a robot out of borrowed part.
A bad one.
Yeah, that bad.
We didn't do very well.
We did horribly.
But in the end, our ranking wasn't what mattered.
It's okay that we failed.
We were determined to redeem ourselves the following year.
And then, we made that decision.
To keep on going.
We may not have had the support of any mentors.
Or any funding to begin with.
We did yard work and sought out companies.
And created sponsorships to help our new adventure.
And what a new adventure it was.
I remember trying to program our robot to always move in relation to the driver's perspective.
We figured out a system to use gyro sensor data to correct the robot's movement.
We saw the same system a week later.
Taught to us as vectors in physics class.
And probably most importantly,
We learned of the necessity of keeping good documentation,
though tedious, we kept a thorough notebook.
keeping track of successes and failures.
We may have won a handful of awards,
But what matters most is that we can learn from our past,
and then we made our notebook public.
so others could learn as well.
We continued to improve throughout the season,
Our design process emphasized iteration,
and we were never afraid to try something new.
all the way from supersized spatulas to entire flip-out intakes,
Nothing was off limits.
and everything was within our reach.
Once we threw out the crazy stuff, we iterated one final design.
And at the World Championship, we placed 5th in qualifications,
In just 1 year, we had gone from near the bottom,
to near the top.
and as we began to see our graduation coming,
We decided to provide our school with what we did not have.
by starting the very robotics program we had once sought for.
This way, other interested kids could learn all we did.
We created 3 new VEX teams and an FRC team for the 2014 season,
We coached and mentored them,
teaching them lessons that we had learned in the past.
and now,
As our VEX careers begin to conclude in their final years,
we continue to be prompted with life-altering decisions.
and as an engineer, these very same decisions must be made by you.
You have the chance to make a difference,
The opportunity to found your own institutions.
and the ability to better the lives of others.
Our lives changed based on a single choice.
The question is,
What will you do?